let's explain Rocket Lab's business model. So guys, you know me as the largest channel dominating the electric vertical takeoff and landing space, and this has been recognised by Archer Aviation for covering them 7 days a week. But together, we're going to grow into this Rocket Lab space also. This is one of our biggest projects yet, so make sure you bang that subscribe button, as over the next week I'm going to answer 20 of the biggest Rocket Lab questions by investors in only 3 minutes each. We will be one of the largest channels when it comes to Rocket Lab. I guarantee you that. Anyway, let's get back to this question. Let's explain Rocket Lab's business model. Rocket Lab was established in 2006 by Peter Beck and has strategically positioned itself as a key player in the space industry, focusing on launch, manufacturing, and management of small satellites. Its primarily business model is centered around providing efficient, frequent, and cost-effective launch services, primarily through its Electron rocket, while expanding its portfolio with the upcoming Neutron rocket and a range of satellite services. The Electron rocket is at the core of Rocket Lab's current business model. Designed specifically for the small satellite market, Electron offers dedicated launches for satellites weighing up to 300 kilos into low Earth orbit. This model caters for the needs of diverse clientele, including commercial entities, governments, and academic institutions who require a timely and precise satellite deployment. Unlike traditional launch services, which might involve long waits or secondary payload status, Electron's agility allows for launch on customer schedules, significantly reducing lead times and launch costs. Rocket Lab has further optimized this model by reducing the operational complexity of launching, aiming for a rapid turnaround between missions, and exploring the reusability of rocket components to lower costs further. Looking into the future, Rocket Lab is broadening its launch capabilities with the development of the Neutron rocket. Neutron is envisioned as a medium-lift, partially reusable rocket, targeting larger payloads and expanding into markets with mega constellation deployments, national security missions, and potentially human spaceflight. This rocket aims to compete directly with larger launch vehicles, like SpaceX's Falcon 9, offering a capacity of up to 13,000 kilos to low Earth orbit when fully expended. Neutron's business model includes not just the launch services, but also leveraging its capabilities for Rocket Lab's own satellite constellation and services, thereby creating a new revenue stream. The development of Neutron represents Rocket Lab's strategic move from a niche player in the small satellite market to a more comprehensive space solutions provider. Beyond its launch capabilities, Rocket Lab has ventured into satellite manufacturing through its Photon spacecraft platform. Photon serves dual purposes. It can act as a satellite bus for customer payloads, offering a customizable solution for those needing satellite capabilities without the burden of building one from the ground up. Adding on to this, Photon is also designed for more complex missions, including lunar flybys or interplanetary travel, which is facilitated by Neutron's capabilities. This vertical integration, from satellite design, manufacturing, to launch, and now with Neutron also into larger mission profiles, allows Rocket Lab to offer end-to-end services. This includes space systems engineering, mission operations, and even on-orbit management, creating a one-stop shop for all space industry needs. The actual business model of Rocket Lab benefits from 5 key advantages. So at number 1, we have efficiency and cost. By focusing on smaller, more frequent launches, and now expanding with Neutron, Rocket Lab addresses cost and efficiency, making space more accessible. At 2, we have innovation. The company is committed to innovation. Like with the reusability of Electron's first stage and the development of the new propulsion technologies for Neutron with the Archimedes engine, this keeps Rocket Lab at the forefront of the industry. At 3, we have diversification. With services ranging from launch to satellite operations, Rocket Lab reduces dependency on a single revenue source, enhancing financial stability. At 4, we have market expansion. Neutron not only allows Rocket Lab to compete in a broader market, but also to support its own satellite constellations, potentially leading to more recurring revenue from space-based services. At 5, we have customer relationships. Offering comprehensive solutions fosters long-term relationships with clients, providing a competitive edge in an industry where trust and reliability are paramount. So looking financially, Rocket Lab's strategy is to leverage the high volume of small satellite launches for Electron by scaling up with the Neutron for bigger, potentially more lucrative contracts. The integration of manufacturing, launch and operations under one roof aims at achieving profitability through efficiency, innovation and a broad service offering, positioning Rocket Lab not just as a launch provider, but a key enabler in the space economy. SpaceX is on everyone's mind. So meet me here next to see how Rocket Lab differentiates itself from SpaceX.